Hi guys, you're welcome back to our channel. We are live in the city of Abakaliki. Yes, Ebonyi State capital. Yes, today we'll be showing you guys around Ebonyi, going deep into the city center, the government house axis, the golf course in Abakaliki, Waterworks Road, Ogoja Road. So all of that we'll be showing you guys. If you have been following our channel, you know of course we'll be doing updates regarding this state. Here's a flower project going on in Vanco, the drive-through from Enugu, the dualization work going on. So if you have not seen all of those videos, you can go check our previous video for an update regarding all of that. Of course, you know the people of Abakaliki are well known for their farming. Yes, the rice farm. They are one of the states that is into large production of rice in Nigeria. So all of this will be showing you guys pretty soon. So if you're new to our channel, you're welcome to Alin TV. Of course, we are your favorite travel family, and for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. We are just passing through the very first flyover you meet when you are driving down from Enugu. Yes, a lot of patches here and there. You know, the road coming after the whole part of the dualization seems to be very good, but then some sections are just failing when you get into Abakaliki proper, which I think should not cost much or should not take much from the state government to actually rectify and keep it awesomely clean. One thing I must commend them for is the fact that the roads are still looking all neat and clean. Probably the sweeping is still being done every day, just like it has always been done. And also you could see trees. We follow through the process of planting these trees, watering the trees, and the level to which the trees are today. Even though some of them have already died off, which I believe they should also look into in planting it, because we love our cities being green. That was one thing that drew us very close to the people of Cross River State, Calabar. Virtually all the towns and cities you pass through around there look so green. So Ebonyi has that similar nature, and some of the trees are dying at the center of the road. I believe more planting can be done. So we actually drove through the inside of their teaching hospital to just show you guys a bit of what the golf course look like. So if you're a golf fan, let us know in the comment section, and if you've played golf before or you love to play golf, let us know. So if you find yourself in Ebonyi State, Abakaliki precisely, you can actually come visit them in their golf course and do a little skill with them, you know. So I don't know how to play. Hopefully I'll get to learn one of these days. So like I said before, the city is really looking clean, I must tell you. And a bit of the traffic lights are also working, so people tend to so be obeying the traffic light, which is very good. The government house is just somewhere ahead of us here, which will be showing you guys very soon. Should I call it the government house? Previous administration did not get to stay there, but nevertheless, we'll just show you guys that's where they call the government house. Then we take it off to Waterworks Road before we show you guys a bit of Ogoja Road. If you have followed through till now, thank you so much. And if you are from Ebonyi State, do not hesitate to rep in the comment section and tell us where you are from. You know, let us know where you are from, and if there are videos in Ebonyi State you would love to see, do well to also let us know in the comment section. I think one of the major projects going on is the Vanco flyover. So if you are seeing our video for the first time, of course you're welcome to our Lane TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button, also turn on notification bell so you get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. Like I said, the people of Ebonyi are known for rice farm, you know, which is one of their major source of revenue. So, and I think the government should do more investment towards farming, just to have more production of rice and every other thing. So we'll be dropping a snippet of the rice meal project as a short, and also on our Facebook page. So if you have not followed us on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or TikTok, we have our presence there, just same name, Alin TV. So you can go join our big family by subscribing on those platforms. So where we drop some of those content, we don't drop here. So this is the local government axis, and as well opposite is just the government house axis. So looking all clean and serene as well. I think the police headquarters also located around here. So this area is concentrated with a lot of government parastatals. Yeah, and the Ebonyi Hotel is also somewhere ahead of us. I think activities has kick-started again at the Ebonyi Hotel. Those belong, I passed the 9 years belong. I actually visited Ebonyi State, but the last time I visited like 2 years ago, those hotel skeletal, the activities were very skeletal, but now activity seems to be better. So the Ebonyi Hotel is just by our right hand side. The activity seems to be better around there. So if you drive this road down now, you are going towards the Vanco Flyover project actually going on. So but we're taking our left hand side into Waterworks Road, which is one of the most popular road as far as Abakaliki is concerned. You can't visit Abakaliki without hearing about the Waterworks Road. And one thing again, bike is still being used in this city. Yes, as you can see on our video, keke napep, those are some of their means of transportation within the town. So, and if you really want to get cheap rice actually, or cheap yam, just find a way to Abakaliki. Of course, you're going to get it pretty cheap. You know, most of the things we get from Enugu, like rice and yam, potato, a lot of them will actually come down here to buy. Whenever we make our trip crossing across Ebonyi State, we just ensure to do a stop here and there to get them. One other interesting thing about the Waterworks Road is the fact that it has lots of banking presence. Phone gadget stores are also very much present on the Waterworks Road, and they have quite a good number of restaurants as well located around here. It's quite a very small town with little population compared to some of the cities we know, but then activity is beginning to pick up around here pretty much. So, and I think regarding the road situation, yeah, quite a lot of roads has been constructed. For those some sections are failing, we've also spotlighted them driving into the town, which I believe the state government with a little touch, they are going to do quite a good amount of work on those roads. Yes, I know for some people who are lovers of cities, to say they need a bit of skyscraper, high-rise building here and there. Yeah, it will be very fine, to be frank, if those things are present around these busy areas of Ebonyi State. And I think Waterworks Road is one place that is almost like a 24 hours activity here, and Spirando, yeah, like a 24 hours activity within the state. A few sitter spots located around here, a few clubs around the corner as well. So activities around the Waterworks Road is quite very massive. And another interesting thing to this Waterworks Road is the fact that there are a lot of connecting road to it. It's not just a single drive. You can connect to it from anywhere. That's why I feel as the city expands, as the city grows, one thing that will be very pertinent or very useful to them when time comes is the link road that they have. So it's going to help decongest quite a lot of traffic on the major road, and these link roads to these areas are all working perfectly well and they're in good condition. Yeah, I think I know of like 4 routes you can use to connect to the Waterworks Road from different parts of the city, so which is quite commendable. Yeah, so good a thing. So like I said earlier, if you have not followed our update on the Vanco Flyover project, you can go check it out. Hopefully we'll be able to do more updates on it, but though they don't allow people to do a video on that project, but let's hope that when we visit again, they'll be more acceptable and more polite to allow us actually show the world what is going on in their state. So I'm actually using a link road now to connect back to Ogoja Road. Most of us who travel from Enugu down to Ogoja or to Ikom, this is usually our route. Yes, we just use here. If you don't want to ride on the major road, you just use here, you connect back to the Ogoja Road. So it is popularly called Ogoja Road in Abakaliki. Yes, so a bit of that we will be showing you guys shortly. If you enjoy videos like this and you love to see more of this kind of content from us, kindly do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you don't get to miss when we upload any of such. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much for following us on this ride. Kindly do well to help us share this video and also leave us your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know what you think. And just like I requested earlier, if there are videos within the state you would love us to see, or in any other state that you know we visit, kindly do let us know in the comment section. Or if there are projects or events you want us to also showcase to you, do well to also let us know in the comment section. We'll be more than excited to bring that to you. So shortly we'll be out on the Ogoja road, and the Ogoja road also takes you to the Vanco flyover, can also lead you. There's a diversion by the flyover that can take you to the Spirando axis. You can also go up there to the government house. So a lot of connection within that space. So we'll be out pretty soon just to show you guys a bit of the Ogoja road. Yes guys, so by people of Ebonyi, like I said earlier, do well to rep in the comment section. Let's know what you are saying about your state, and let's just have your view and tell us the part you are from within the state. So here is Ogoja road. So we are out in Ogoja road, just a few driving it downwards, and we'll bring the video to an end. So thank you so much guys for joining us on this ride. You make every of our trip very useful. We do appreciate your love. Like I said earlier, do well to follow us on other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We are all there, as well as Twitter. I'll have our presence there, and some short clip of event we don't put here, usually put on those platforms. So guys, thank you so much. And if you're watching us again for the very first time, you're welcome to Arlene TV. Do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. Do well to give us your honest review, your thought about this city in the comment section. And if you are from Ebonyi, do not forget to rep in the comment section as well. We will be seeing you guys in our next video.